Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. In this video, I will discuss about package managers used in Linux distributions to install any software. So, package managers used in Linux distributions distributions to install any software. Any software. See here, what distributions? Linux have multiple copies of operating systems like Linux, like Amazon, AWS operating system is there, Ubuntu is there, CentOS is there, like the multiple copies of Linux operating system. It's called distributions. Linux is a open source, code is open source, so multiple companies are created copies of operating systems. Here, package managers. See, Amazon, Amazon, Linux, class, Red Hat related distributions using YAM. YAM as a package manager. If Ubuntu slash Debian, it is using the apt package manager. So if you are using Amazon Linux or Red Hat related distribution, you need to use YAM package manager. If you are using Ubuntu or Debian, this related distribution, you can use OPT. Distribution is nothing but operating system. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to this YouTube channel.